Alright, ladies and gentlemen, because you have noticed, this Moses, aka Ethan Speeches and Jerry, break it down. So I want to show you how to determine trend of the market and to look for potential entry point. Okay, so we're gonna be starting our analysis from the 1 hour time frame to the lowest time frame. Okay, so let's just start with drawing the trend of the market. We keep drawing the trend. So the way you see this market, the way I'm drawing the resistance is showing that it's a downtrend market. Okay, a downtrend market in 1 hour time frame. Let's use 1 hour time frame, and that simply means you'll be looking for a place to sell in whatever our conclusion is. Okay, we'll be looking for a place to sell. So this is the 1 hour time frame. Let's analyze down to the 15-minute time frame. Okay, going to the 15-minute time frame, this market shows that it's changing trend. Okay, oh sorry, where I placed that. So I need to recheck my arrow. Okay, from here the market shows that it's changing trend, like it's breaking out the support and the resistance zone and forming another higher highs. And after forming the higher highs, the market came for retest. Now let's go to the 5-minute time frame to look for the retest. The retest spot. Okay, the 5-minute time frame. Look at that pot. It retested it. Okay, after retesting it, you should be looking for a place to sell. I mean to buy rather, because after a breakout, it will come to retest. Then you buy. But instead of retesting at this spot and going up, the market they what? Break down again, then went up to turn the place to a resistance pot. Formerly it's a support pot, and after the support you're supposed to buy. But instead of buying, a giant bearish candlestick come out and broke it. After breaking it, came to retest it and came down and started raging toward that spot. Okay, but on the normal ground, on the normal trend, we're supposed to look for a place to sell. But the market on 5 minutes time frame is showing us that the market is changing trend, it's going up. But looking at this MACD, looking at this market is showing us that this market is still a downtrend market. Okay, it's still a downtrend market. So let's just move to another small time frame. Okay, which is the 5-minute time frame. Okay, we're looking for an entry point. All right, and that's my Google. I actually thought I'm talking to. The entry point out here is one of the reversal point there. The reversal point you're looking at in the 5-minute time frame. And look at it there. Let me draw it. Okay, let me redraw the trend in the lower time frame. Another lower time frame we have it. Let's redraw the trend. Look at the trend there. Can you see the trend there again? This trend in another lower time frame is telling us that it's a downtrend market, and we need to look for an opportunity to sell. Now let's mark our key levels. Okay, look at this spot. This spot shows it's a resistance pot, and it's bringing from air. Okay, let me adjust this. This is too big. From this spot, let me use an arrow so that you see what I'm saying. This spot, the market came from here, then touched this spot, went up to form a support. To form a resistance. Let me draw the resistance for you. Yeah, these are the resistance zone. Okay, came from here, touched here to form a support, went back to form a resistance, came back again to touch the support, then the resistance, the support. After ranging, shows a bearish candlestick, then broke it. That simple means this place, this support, this form of support will be your major key level that you'll be looking for, your support key level that you'll be looking for in the nearest future. Okay, so after breaking it out, you wait for a retest breakout. Then this is the retest. Okay, now this is the retest. Now we're standing this. This is the retest, and after the retest, then you look for your opportunity to sell, make some peep. Okay, let me zoom in. Look at it there. The retest, you make some peep. Can you see that the market moving then? Then you could have, this place will have been a support as well, where you will close your trade. Why do I call it a support? Because look, barely when the market came down, when the market broke this place, it came to touch another support in it. So you should always mark your key levels. Okay, this is your key levels. Trend support and resistance. This is it. This is the trend support. This is the trend resistance, and this is your key level, trend key levels. Here it is. These are the key level, support and resistance. Those are the two support and resistance you should be noting and be drawing. So when the market broke it, it came to touch this support. Then you draw the support out. When this market reverses and it's coming down, this will be my first TP, even if it's break it. Okay, this is your first TP, and you see when the market touches it, you saw what happened. The market pushed up again. Okay, and we're supposed to be looking for a place to sell, but eventually the market already broke it. And in this kind of market, I won't like to trade it. This is a bearish candlestick, okay? A bearish candlestick going, but the market will eventually stop at this resistance zone. You see the resistance zone in it? Yeah. So the market will stop at the resistance zone. So whenever I see a very close support and resistance zones like that, I don't want to trade until I see a breakout. Either a breakout to the downside or a breakout to the upside, okay? So that's when I always want to trade. Actually, I told you price action is the best. When you know price action, you hardly have a problem with trading. You see, I will break it down from 1 hour to 1 minute time frame. So it's very easy. So kindly subscribe and like my YouTube channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you.